Suits, Harvey Specter didn't wait for the system to work. He built his own rules. He moved faster, thought sharper, closed cases nobody else could. Right now, there is a 22-year-old doing exactly that, but with AI. And he is coming for the entire med legal industry. Meet Vyko. Backed by Y Combinator, the AI platform putting med legal case management on autopilot. So they are doing three things, from first intake to patient matching to final settlement, all handled, all automated, all intelligent. Vyko is an AI that can review thousands of cases simultaneously, surface key findings, match injured patients with the right doctors and specialists automatically, respond to new leads instantly, so no case ever falls through the crack, handle phone calls using voice AI, intake, coordination, summaries, all through natural conversation. No manual paperwork, no missed call, no drop leads. Just cases moving forward. Here is the problem nobody talks about. The med legal industry is one of the most complex in the world. Every case is equal to a patient in pain. Every delay is equal to a client who doesn't get justice. So what happens today? Intake forms, phone tag, manual record reviews, week of coordination just to match one patient with one doctor. That's not a process. That's a broken system dressed up in a suit. Vyko removes all of that. Instead of your team making 50 calls a day, Vyko Voice AI handles them automatically. Instead of manually reviewing case files, Vyko analyzes thousands simultaneously. Instead of guessing which doctor fits which patient, Vyko matches them based on case history, treatment needs and proximity. Your team stops managing chaos and start focusing on what actually matters, justice. But here where it gets wild. Vyko isn't just a software tool, it's building a unified intelligence layer across the entire med legal ecosystem. Personal injury, medical billing, medical coordination, telemed. One platform, every case end to end. And the CEO of Health and Sync already said it publicly. Vyko will completely transform their entire company with efficiency gains unlike anything else on the market. That's not a testimonial, that's a warning to every competitor. This is what makes Vyko different. Other tools gives law firm dashboards. Vyko gives them an operator. It doesn't just show you what's happening, it handles it. And the vision goes even further. Vyko wants to become a law firm itself so that anyone in America who needs justice can actually get it. But here is the big question. Med legal is one of the most regulated industries in the world. Lawyers, HIPAA, patient data, court systems. Can AI platform really operate here at scale without hitting a legal wall? And if Vyko become a law firm itself, who's actually responsible when something goes wrong? The AI or the founder? And here's who's building it. Iqbal Tamir Khojev, first VC-backed startup at age 13. First exit acquired by United Nations at 14. Software patent at 15. Medal of Honor from the President of Tajikistan at 16. 3x Olympiad gold medalist in competitive coding. Retired his mom at 18. The most extraordinary founder in the entire YCW26 batch. Building in one of the hardest industries on earth. So now the real question is Vyko just a smarter tool for law firms or the beginning of a world where AI ensures no injured person ever get left behind? Because if this scales, justice won't depend on how good your lawyer is. It will depend on how fast the AI moves.